Cuando tuve mi accidente, Willens y Baker
in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for East Jackson County, Southwest Eaton County until 2:23 p.m. At 12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ingham, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: flying debris will be deadly with anyone caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed, and complete destruction is possible. Take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the nearest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If no shelter is available, lie flat on the nearest ditch of low spot and cover your head with your hands. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 124-129-389-3919 when you can do it so safely. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:23 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Jackson and Eaton.